이 영상은 2주간 시애틀 펫시터 후기를 영어로 녹음해 본 영상입니다. 영어가 다소 어색하더라도 너그러이 이해 부탁드립니다. 그럼 Let's go! Hello! I just finished spending 2 amazing weeks in Seattle as a pet sitter. The owner is coming back tomorrow and I'm already excited for my next adventure. This whole thing started with my young bro's story in New York. His friend spilled the beans about this app where you can travel and hang out with pets, perfect for a vegan animal lovers like me. Thinking about the good times in New York got me itching to head back to the US. Drawn to the West Coast, Seattle felt perfect. After applying online, a phone interview left me hopeful but slightly bummed. Determined, I messaged again, pouring my passion into words. Thankfully, the owner chose me. Wow! My second US trip began with the owner picking me up at Seattle Airport. The first night, we watched the city sparkle from Cary Park, a stunning welcome. The next day, I dove into downtown, visiting the original Starbucks and Pike Public Market, and catching a ferry to Bainbridge Island's enchanting beauty. It was so peaceful and beautiful island. And dinner with the owner was at a cozy Italian restaurant, laughter filling the air. With the owner on an early flight, my adventure with Keiko, their adorable puppy, began. We were nervous at first, but soon became buddies. Caring for Keiko was easier and more fun than I expected. 3 short walks a day, along with playtime and yummy meals, was our routine. He wasn't a fan of cuddles, so walks were key for his exercise. After our walks, he loved chilling on the balcony, sunbathing or dozing off. Oh my god, so cute! Dropping the owner regular pics of Keiko, including one of his snuggled under a blanket, became our thing. The owner was stoked, especially considering Keiko's no blanket rule. Knowing our bond was growing brought even more good vibes. Beyond Keiko walks, I explored Seattle solo. The owner's bike took me to hidden neighborhoods, but the bike was racing bike, so I'm not sure if I was riding the bike or the bike was riding me. Either way, my back almost paid the price. Anyway, I devoured iconic sites like Pike Public Market, the University of Washington, and Goswas Park and Fremont neighborhood. Pike Public Market offered fresh seafood, vibrant shops, and the unforgettable taste of cinnamon orange tea. The university and park provided a peaceful escape. While Fremont's vintage shops, pubs, and cool vegan cafes were a delight. Pet sitting was more than just dog duty. It was a personal growth journey. From Keiko, I learned responsibility, empathy, and the art of managing my time. Seattle's diverse charms filled my wanderlust. Reflecting on the owner's warmth and generosity, I realized I want that kindness in my life, at home or abroad. To Keiko and the owners, thank you for the unforgettable memories. These 2 weeks, the shared warmth and laughter will forever hold a special place in my heart. Thank you for watching my video.